It's Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view all the apps installed on your Android phone. So the easiest way to do this is probably go to the Google Play Store. Just go to this right here. Go to your profile in the top right, select your profile, and go on down to where it says Manage Apps and Device. So the reason we can go over here because it will show all our devices. We can go to Manage Now and click on this, and we can go to this device. So we can see my Honor phone, my Google Pixel, etc. So I'm using a Google Pixel. Well, actually, this is my Samsung phone. But we can go on through here now, and we can see all the apps that are installed right here. So we can go to recently, most used, size, etc., updates available. So we can even see apps that are not installed on my phone, not installed. So if we deleted something and we want it back, it'll probably be under this list. So we can look at that. Also, we can just go to our app list right here and scroll through this, and we can see all the apps right there. We can go to the top right, go to settings, and then scroll on down to apps under this list. And we can get a good idea how many apps are on our phone. It says 153. I'm not sure if that's correct, but we can see all the apps under this screen as well. And then we have our secure folder apps as well. So if you want to see your system apps too, to see all those, we can go to this button right here and go to show system apps, and this will show everything on our phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.